Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best solder seal wire connectors you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many solder seal wire connectors and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each solder seal wire connectors so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying a solder seal wire connectors. First, check the material quality to ensure strong insulation and corrosion resistance. High-quality connectors use durable polyolefin tubing and low-melting solder rings for reliable performance. Second, consider the wire gauge compatibility because connectors come in different sizes for various wire diameters. Using the right size ensures a secure connection and prevents weak joints. Third, evaluate the waterproof and heat shrink properties to ensure they can handle moisture and temperature changes effectively. Reliable connectors should create a tight seal after heating, protecting the connection from environmental damage. Finally, look at ease of use and transparency, as clear tubing helps you see the solder flow and confirm a proper seal. Choosing the right connectors ensures safe, long-lasting electrical connections. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.